Kitchener-Conestoga.
Thank you, Speaker. Guten Tag on Herzlich Willkommen, 47th Kitchener-Waterloo Oktoberfest. Kitchener-Waterloo Oktoberfest, otherwise known as Canada's greatest Bavarian festival and the second largest Oktoberfest in the world, attracts over 700,000 visitors every year, with over $1.5 million in proceeds being put back into the community. Waterloo region has a long history of German roots. Kitchener was formerly named Berlin, and a large portion of the population identify themselves as being of German heritage. What makes Oktoberfest so great is that there is truly something for everyone. Oktoberfest hosts Canada's largest Thanksgiving Day parade, which is viewed by over 1.8 million Canadians nationwide. There are over 48 family, cultural, and sporting events, and of course, 19 Festhallen to experience some Gemütlichkeit. One of this year's Oktoberfest highlights includes a hometown hockey tour with host Ron McLean and NHL alumni, which gives families the chance to celebrate hockey and our community pride on national TV. I must also take a moment to thank the 500 passionate volunteers without whom this festival would not be nearly as successful as it is today. Since 1969, the constant growth and success promoting a unique German heritage experience is a testament to the dynamic volunteers. I encourage all festival goers of Oktoberfest to come find me and get my official souvenir Oktoberfest pin. And Speaker, as we say during the festival, Oktoberfest in Kitchener-Waterloo is wunderbar.